Okay, are we allowed to stay in Bilad-e-Kufr? Okay, this is the question. What is the definition of Bilad-e-Kufr? Bilad is generally understanding the town or the city or the country, and Kufr means the disbelief. So, land of the kafir, or country of the kafir who do not believe in Islam. I can say that today in the whole world, we can't define any country this way, that it is the land of the kafir or the land of the Muslim. Any country that is ruled by Islamic scholars, Islamic Khalifa, Islamic Alim, Islamic Mufti, the whole country is based on Quran and Sunnah totally, and the country is governed by the rules and regulations, halal and haram, punishments and reward, all those kind of things are done by a country according to the Quran and Sunnah. That country is called Islamic country. In other words, if I'm an Indian and if I'm an Indian and I'm a Muslim, and I want to travel to that country to stay there, that country should open the doors for me. And if I am in need, the country should provide me everything as a Muslim, like Rasul when he came to Medina. Medina was not a Muslim country at that time when Prophet migrated. But after staying in Medina for a few days, the Muhajirin who migrated from Mecca to Medina, Rasulullah established brotherhood between the people of Mecca and Medina. So the poor Muslims from Mecca were looked after by the Muslims of Medina. But this is nowhere in the country. Like I lived in a country, Arab country, which is 100% according to general understanding supposed to be the Muslim country. I lived there for 36 years. I lived there for 36 years, or you can say like 34 years, and I was considered to be a Muslim, but I was considered to be an expatriate. I have to renew my visa to work there. I have to renew my visa to stay there. And for everything, I had no rights equal to the rights of those citizens of that country. And this is Muslim country, so-called Muslim country. So, if you compare the country in UK compared to other Islamic countries, like when you come to this country legally, stay in this country, work for this country, mashallah, and your work permit is genuine, and all the rules and regulations are abide by you properly for 5 years, you get indefinite leave to remain in this country. And then when you get indefinite leave to remain in this country, you get almost all the rights of the citizens here, those who are British in this country. And then after that, you can apply for the British passport. So maybe sixth year or 7th year, you get the British passport. But this is more Islamic than any other country, though this is a Christian country. You can't call this country as a country governed by Islamic Sharia, no. But see the practical, rights given to the people in this country. Hindus, Christians, Muslims, white, black, African, Arabs, anybody from any part of the world. If they stay over here, abide by the law of this country, and they are legal for 5 years, they get the indefinite leave to remain, they get the indefinite leave to remain, and all the dependents who were with them. So many human rights you get in this country after certain years. And you can claim for your rights if you have been betrayed. There's lots of legal law with regards to human respects, human rights. So many things are there which we don't find in any so-called Muslim countries. So if that is your question, are we allowed to stay in a Bilad-e-Kufr? If this Bilad is Bilad-e-Kufr because it is a Christian country, and if you are asking me, are we allowed to stay in this country, I will say yes, it is better to stay in this country than to stay in any Islamic country if you don't get human rights there.